We're going to stick with Russia and the economy. We go now to Bloomberg's Ryan Chilcote. He's in Moscow. He's been following President Obama's trip and the negotiations there. Ryan, what's the latest?
Yeah, well, this summit is turning into taking a very business focus at this point. There is something called the Parallel Business Summit underway. It will be attended by President Obama and President Medvedev. CEOs from both Russia and the United States are already at that conference. We've been talking to the head of John Deere. He was saying that they're contemplating investing as much as $500 million in Russia. However, he said that they have seen a big drop in sales recently and said that part of the problem is high tariffs on the import of their farm equipment. Our own Ellen Pinchuk spoke with him. Let's have a listen.
Russia is also a very good-sized market, especially for us in agriculture. It's going to be one of the big bread baskets of the world. So for us, we do contemplate quite a bit of investment in Russia. This $500 million would be significant as it relates to, for example, our India investments.
Meanwhile, you have Pepsi saying that it will invest $1 billion over the next 3 years. It's going to build its largest plant anywhere in the world just outside of Moscow. So you have the two sides, some sitting on the fence, some already putting money in. Back to you.
Ryan, obviously $1 billion is a lot of money, but overall the United States isn't such a big investor in Russia. Is that right?
It's not a big investor. And in fact, just a year ago, a lot of the conversations here in Russia were about, well, do we need outside investment at all? Keep in mind, oil was $147 a barrel. Russia was taking in around $1.3 billion a day from its oil and gas sales. That conversation has obviously changed. But there is still a problem in getting investment, not just in terms of whether the Russian government really welcomes it, but a lot of companies and analysts will tell you they're concerned about corruption in this country, and they're concerned about the kind of issues that John Deere there raised. So it's a mixed bag. It'll be really interesting to say what both the two presidents have to offer at the conference today. Back to you.
Thank you, Ryan. Looking forward to more updates on that summit over in Russia.